question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lisa, and if you are a returning baby, thank you so much for joining us again. I highly appreciate it. Sana, we're officially back. Now I can feel that we're back. Today we are doing, I think this is just gonna be a spend a weekend vlog with me. So yeah, today is a Friday and it is 10 past 11. I am currently at work. As you guys saw from like the first clips, I went and picked up my car, and it is raining cats and dogs. Okay, when I say cats and dogs, yo, last week I was complaining about it being hot. Today I'm complaining about it raining. Like, Sana. Yo. But anyways, we are just going to do a spend a weekend vlog with me. Nothing much, nothing crazy. Yeah. Oh, Sana, my car's back. My car's back and I'm so excited. Because drive my dad's car, like, cause I can't, like, I feel like with Timoteo Muntu you can't like go to a lot of places with it, because like irresponsibility, as much as it's my dad's car, but like I didn't want to take my dad's car to like the club, to like, you know, Rockets, to like, you know, these places that I normally would go to. So I'm so excited and happy that my car is back and it is feeling much better. It sounds much better. Yeah, that is basically it. What are we doing today? Today we're just getting some work done, and we are finalizing the vlog from last week. Yeah, the launch vlog, the first vlog of 2025, and so we're finalizing the editing process of that, and then hopefully upload it by Sunday. Yeah, and then I guess that's just gonna be home time. So basically today is just a work day. Yeah, so let's go to work. Cheer out. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back. It is later on the day, Sana. I feel like today I barely vlogged, literally. I feel like I barely vlogged because I can think into besides just going to work and picking up the car. So yeah. Anyways, I'm back home and I have a delivery from the courier guy. Yeah, I know what this is, so I'm excited about it. Let me first take out this thingy. I found some scissors, so let's cut through this package, my babe. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this, and getting it was a hassle. Okay, when I say getting it was a hassle, oh my god. If you are also a person who, yes sister, who really wants this, I'm sure you already know the hassle of getting it because it is literally nowhere to be found. Literally nowhere to be found. And Sana, because I know people who know people and people who know people and people who know people and people who know people. Period. You guys can already guess what this is like. I am with ATT. Period! My baby! I know that's right. Finally, we have the Canon G7X Mark III camera for our content. Okay, I am no longer with. I am with AT&T. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god, the packaging is nice. I'm so excited, guys. The lengths I went through to get this camera is absolutely crazy. Like, you know, it's good. Like, you know, I'm so happy that my package arrived. This entire week I was so stressed out because I was just like, when is it arriving? When is it arriving? When is it arriving? When is it arriving? Like, you know, even yesterday I was stressed out. But here it is, guys. I finally got it. That is so crazy. Getting this camera is like, it's a mission and a half. Let me take a picture of it. This deserves an Insta story. Sorry guys, I'm taking a cotton pad. This deserves an Insta story because my babe, excuse me, do you guys understand? Do you guys understand how hard it is to get this camera? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna take like a quick snap and then I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, okay? So, yeah. That is my new baby, of which I'm so excited about. Yeah, it was sourced from Canada, so the it has like a warranty guarantee that says USA and Canada only type shit. So that is why it also has this battery charger that has these. It doesn't really have like our normal charging thingy, so I need to go find this and also get a memory card because we can't really test it in get a memory card. Yeah, well, so I need to get a memory card for this camera and so yeah, I'm so happy about this purchase. Okay, period. I think that is about it, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. For now, bye guys. I just got my hair done. I just got my hair done at the studio. How gorgeous is this? What lace? What lace? Period. I feel like a girl again with my hair done. Okay. Yeah, they ate this up. Like, they ate it up. Like, no doubts. Like, literally no doubts. Sana, I look gorgeous. It is a Monday and I am at Gateway. I just randomly, when I say randomly bumped into my parents at Gateway. I got the shock of my life because abazali bami guys abayihambi Gateway. Okay, the last time they were here babezilethwe mina. Now I'm bumping into them too. It is so weird. Like, it is so weird. I'm just like, what the heck are you guys doing here? I so wish I can show you guys my parents, but no, we ain't doing none of that, baby. So yeah, I'm at Gateway. I came here to do my own things, but now I need to, like, you know, tag along with my parents because I don't have no money. Period. But yeah, let's get inside and I will talk to you guys later. For now, bye guys. See? On a Monday. I said on the weekend. Why are you guys here? Like, what are you guys here? So weird. You guys are on Gateway. Lisa.Mhlongo. 2 on a Monday. Angeke, guys. Angeke. I was just like, Konke. Literally. Angeke.
Watching you this morning.
Yeah, come say hi. Please come say hi. Hi. I'm good. How are you? What's your name?
Aliza.
Nice to meet you, baby.
Love your content.
Thank you so much. Bye. Period. I love meeting you guys. You guys need to come say hi all the time. Period. Hi guys, I'm at Zara now and I'm not looking for anything specific. I'm just browsing. Let's keep up, but it's basic. This year, I promised myself that I'm not buying basic stuff. Like, I'm not buying basic stuff this year. So, G. This is cutesy. What would I wear this with? This is very cutesy. And it comes with like shorts. I think this is pretty. But it'll go on an. Huh? This head is so cute. Then I spawn up with goals 500 rand. Nanini. Hey boo. These are cute. Hold on, let me show you guys. I'm so confused. I I really like this top, but like my thing is, what am I gonna wear it with? If I take it, what am I gonna wear it with? Yeah, I'm so confused. You know what? Let's go. No, let's go. Hi guys, we're finally done and we're getting food at Circus. I wasn't able to find anything at what is this? Cotton On. Yeah, I couldn't make up my mind basically. So I think I'll give it another try some other time during the week, or I'll try order online. I just don't think everything will arrive by Thursday, of which like I need them as an ASAP, but we'll see. We're getting food now. We're at Circus, so yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later, if not tomorrow. But for now, bye guys. My mom is looking at the menu like this. You know your parents are getting old when they start looking at the menu like this. Hi guys, welcome back. It is the next day. Today is a Tuesday and it is currently 9:30. I am at the studio. I forgot my charger this morning and my phone is on. Sana. My phone is on like 8%, so I need to get something to eat and then go get my charger at home. I also have a nail appointment with Usne because what is this, honey? What is this? Okay, I can't be looking like this on Valentine's weekend, okay? Period. Yeah, so that is what I'm supposed to go do now. So we're just gonna go grab something to eat. I haven't been to Boston in a minute, so I'm thinking we try out Boston. But also Boston is just like, it's outside and the weather is just not looking great. It has been raining for a while now, so I'm not sure about going to Boston. Yeah, but we'll see. So I think let's just get going and I will talk to you guys later. Yeah. Get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we hot lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your
these selling pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Oh, it's just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me?
Hi guys, I am done with my nails and they look so cute. See? They're giving Valentine, okay? The month of love, period. I love them so much. I really like these full red nails. Like, a part of me wanted to do like all full red nails, but Snail was just like, no. So we opted for this and I really like it. But yeah, I'm back home and I'm hungry sana. I'm about to die. There's nothing much that's gonna happen moving onward today, so I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, that was just a quick update, but let me see you guys tomorrow. For now, bye guys. Good morning. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. Today is a Wednesday and I am heading over to work, but I need to start by getting some bleach because I have wigs to customize. So yeah, I'm not really sure what we're gonna be up to today, but I know that we have work this morning and I have like clients. So yeah, I think we're just gonna head to work and then I'll update you guys as the day proceeds. Yeah, for now, bye guys. And my hair looks like a mess. I undid my style because Sana and Gig. No. If I could have, I would have undid these, but I was like, it's gonna start looking weird, Sana. But anyways, let's get going. I'll talk to you guys as soon as I can, or as soon as something interesting happens. For now, let's go. Hi guys, I don't think I took you guys along the entire day today, honestly speaking. I think the last time I spoke to you guys was in the morning, but there wasn't much to show either way. I was just at work the entire day today, so yeah, I'm back home and I got my hair done at the studio. How cute do I look? I changed my hairstyle. Period. I changed my hairstyle. You guys are gonna be sick of me changing my hairstyle every now and then, because what do you mean? Oof, I look so gorgeous. I am absolutely obsessed with this hairstyle. So yeah, I did my hairstyle and yeah, that was basically it, Sana. I had clients and yeah, it was just a work day, honestly. Good morning, welcome back. It is the next day and it is currently 7:15 and we are heading out. I have a lash appointment at 8, so I'm trying to rush there so that I don't get late. So we're gonna go do my lashes right now, and then right after I think we're just gonna head to Gateway. Yeah, so let's get going, my babe. Oh, my hair, Sana. Oh. Bye, guys.
And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna love me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how and now you treat me this way, and still I stay. When I get distracted, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I don't need you. I'm mad because I love you, so I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me.
My lashes are dry. Oh, my eye is still, but my lashes are done, my babe. My lashes are done. They look absolutely gorgeous. Literally, like, are you joking? Are you joking? We are now going to head over to Gateway. We have a couple of stuff to do, so yeah, let's go to Gateway and I will talk to you guys a bit later. Oh, yeah, my eye is gonna be the death of me. But how gorgeous. Yeah. Bye, guys. Guys, my lash take eats. Like, you guys can sleep on her, but when I say my lash take eats, she eats. Because what is this? Babe, they look absolutely gorgeous, even though this eye is still like, yeah, it's still teary. But my lash tech eats all the time. Like, my lashes look unbelievable all the time. Like, girl, period. Let us go inside. Let us go inside Gateway and figure ourselves out, and then I will talk to you guys after. Bye.
Never gonna change, 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 never gonna change. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting by you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting by you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, running back to you, running back to you, running back to you,
Hi guys, so I'm actually looking for a scent. I ended up going for this one, of which smells absolutely amazing. It's more on the male side of things, but it smells absolutely amazing.
I'm actually supposed to be doing
I know you want it, so I see you try it. Just keep on pushing on whatever you try it. Let's go, let's say hi to me in my room. We can get slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. What you waiting for? You want, baby, it is yours. Anywhere, everywhere, baby, it's your world.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He said
know.
he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres.
Vegas. A couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings. Bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted. 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
guys, I'm a security mall. I want a piece. I want a piece. Like, I want a piece at all, because why was I just stopped for the first time ever in this mall? The security is talking about you can't really like have a professional camera in the mall and use it in the mall. Hey. I'm just like to avoid I just said okay, and I switched the damn thing off, because my babe, like I'm not in your business, like stay out of mine type shit. But anyways, I got myself a hot caramel macchiato, because it is still early, child. Okay, why is my lighting changing? It is still early, child, and I need something to drink. I also got like a butter. Where is my croissant? Okay. I also got like a butter croissant. I haven't had this combo in a minute. Period. So they gave me this. I think it's like I think it's testers, Sana, but they gave it to me in like this big box. I won't unbox this because it's not mine. So let's just unbox what they gave me. Okay, so it comes in like this mini box. Yeah. I don't know what this is, Sana. Oh, it's not a tester. It's like they're saying it's like a red shot. Oh, this is so cute! It's giving Valentine's Day. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so cute. It is so cutesy. The material of it, absolutely gorgeous. How thoughtful of them. This is so cute. Guys, I didn't buy this. I didn't buy this. Okay, I didn't buy this. I only bought a perfume. And this came as like a gift. This is so cute. Like, it is so cute and thoughtful. Sana, love it. I literally thought it was a tester. Like, when they gave it to me, I was like, okay, it's a tester once again. Because I'm used to them giving me testers. This is like, this is cute. It's better than a tester, Sana. This is absolutely cute. A period. It is so cute. We're just gonna leave it right here. But yeah, that is basically it, Sana. I'm just going to have my croissants and drink my macchiato, and that is it. So unfortunately, we have come to the end of our video, and if you enjoyed it, please do like, comment, and subscribe. I highly appreciate you guys. And till next time, bye guys.